Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing fantastic today. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today I thought of sharing this halter neckline top. So before we waste any time, let's get to it. So you will need both your front and your back pattern, and I did join them right on the side and I traced around them. So what I'm going to do now is to find the center point on my neckline. And when I measured my neckline, it's actually 5 inches. And I'm going to find the center point or half of this 5-inch. And then moving on to the back pattern, I am going to mark 5 inches from the waist up. Then I'm going to join the 2 points with a curved ruler from the back pattern all the way to the neckline. So guys, once we've created that neckline, I am going to create a dot. It's more like a princess seam. So what I'm going to do is create a line. Then next to that line, I am going to mark half of an inch, which is going to be more of the dot leg. So the width of the dot is going to be half of an inch. Now again, on the neckline between these 2 points, I am going to find the center point of the neckline. And then that's where I am actually going to slash and spread. So I'm going to join this all the way to the dot. So once we're done drafting this 2 pattern, we need to go ahead and just fix the dot for the back pattern, and then we cut it out. So once we're done cutting out the pattern, I'm going to go ahead and separate the back pieces from the front. And please don't forget to label your pattern so as to be easy for you when you cut on fabric. Now moving on to the front, I'm going to go ahead and slash the neckline and then close all the dots. So once we're done drafting our pattern, I'm going to mark 2 inches from the shoulder. And then now cutting it on fabric, we are going to fold our material right on fold, and then we place the shoulders on fold, right? And then we need to add our seam allowance, 0.5 seam allowance, also on the center front, which is 0.5 seam. Don't forget to also add your seam allowance right on the back pieces. So once I'm done, I went ahead and I cut out the strap 15.5 inches, and it's actually on fold. So let's go ahead and join these pieces together. I took the front piece and I'm going to attach the strap right on the neckline. Then I'm going to sew these 2 pieces right sides facing and join the center front by 0.5 seam allowance up to the 2-inch mark that we made. And there is the outcome, guys, of our halter top. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial as much as I did. As for me, guys, see you on the next one.